am wet.
If you're looking for the captain, he isn't here.
If I'm not looking for him,
He still isn't here.
well, I'm looking for him. You know where he is?
I haven't the slightest idea. Perhaps he's in town on business. That's the way you put it the other day, isn't it? That's what I like about you, Sergeant. You have confidence. It's also what I dislike about you.
It's not confidence, ma'am. It's honesty. I just hate to see a beautiful woman going all to waste.
Waste, did you say? There's a subject I might tell you something about. I know several kinds of waste, Sergeant.
No, I haven't.
Probably not even remotely aware of some of them. Would you like to hear?
Joey.
For instance, what about the house without a child? There's one sort for you. Then there's another. What are you doing?
I'm leaving. Is that what you want?
I don't know, Sergeant. I don't know.
Try talking to Daniel. Try to tell him. Just kept talking about himself.
He knows.
Dad! What are you doing? Dad, shut down the projector. And who was it who opened the cinema?
Well, the seats were delivered and they sent a roll of film down to test the projector.
Let's go up to Mrs. Kipper's parlor and sit there. She lets us use it sometimes.
Been sacked?
Now go ahead.
So you want to leave?
You certainly have, Benny.
Lost my job.
So you want to leave? But Daddy had to leave because he stabbed Mr. Lynch. Is that true?
He was drunk, Joey. He didn't know what he was doing.
Well, that's it now, so he's never going to come home again.
Joey! You are breaking the law of God and man by watching that rancid abomination.
I never knew I could be like
Shut it down now!
Nobody ever kissed me the way you do.
Outside our holy and beleaguered island is going to hell. And now you can see why.
Not even one?
Elizabeth Taylor!
Out of all the men you
Must keep storming heaven to combat the evil American filth lapping like a mad dog at our
Can't you
sacred
give me a rough estimate?
It's Deborah Carr, not Elizabeth Taylor!
Shut